Hello friends, welcome to Infinite Coaching Classes. Today we are going to discuss Chemistry Chapter 1 Matter. So let's see. Answer the following. Define matter. Matter is anything that has mass, occupies space and can be perceived by our senses. Intermolecular force of attraction. Answer is intermolecular forces, often abbreviated to IMF, are the attractive and repulsive forces that arise between the molecules of a substance. These forces mediate the interactions between individual molecules of a substance. Next question. What are the three states of matter? Define each of them with two examples. Answer is matter exists in three states. A solid has a definite shape and a definite volume. Example, wood, stones, etc. Liquids. A liquid has a definite volume but no definite shape. Example, water, milk, etc. Gases. A gas has neither a definite shape nor a definite volume. Example, air, oxygen, etc. Next question. Explain interconversion of states of matter. What are the two factors responsible for the change of state of matter? Answer is the phenomena of change of one state of matter into another and vice versa is called interconversion of state of matter. The two factors which are responsible for the interconversion of matter are temperature and pressure. Next question. State the main postulates of kinetic theory of matter. Answer is the kinetic molecular theory of matter states that matter is made up of particles that are constantly moving. There are attractive forces between atoms, molecules, and this becomes stronger as the particles move closer. So, together these attractive forces are called intermolecular forces. What happens to water if it is kept in a deep freezer? It is heated. Explain the phenomena of changes of state of water. Answer is if water is kept in deep freezer, then it will become ice, which is in solid state, and after that, if the ice is heated, it will become once again water, which is liquid. If you heat it more, it will transform into vapors, which is in gaseous state. The phenomena of changes of state of water in A is liquid to solid and in B is liquid to gas. Next question. State the law of conservation of masses. What do you observe when barium chloride solution is mixed with sodium sulphate solution? Answer is conservation of masses dates from Antonio Lavoisier 1789 discovery that mass is neither created nor destroyed in chemical reactions. In other words, the masses of any one element at the beginning of a reaction will equal the mass of that element at the end of the reaction. We will observe that a white insoluble solid precipitate of barium sulphate is formed along with a solution of sodium chloride. Wait for 10 minutes to complete the reaction and the solid formed to settle down. Give reason. A gas can fill the whole vessel in which it is enclosed. Answer is because in gases the molecules are free to move. They are not stuck to each other, and the intermolecular force of attraction is least in the gases, so the gas almost filled the whole vessel in which it is enclosed. Solids cannot be compressed. Answer is because the particles do not move. Solids have a definite shape and definite and volume and can't flow because the particles are already packed closely together. Solids can't easily be compressed because there are lots of particles in a small volume. Solids are dense. Next question. Liquids can flow. Liquids flow because the intermolecular forces between molecules are weak enough to allow the molecules to move around relative to one another. At a molecular level, liquids have some properties of gases and some of solids. First, liquids share the ability to flow with gases. When magnesium is burnt in air, there is an increase in mass after the reaction. Answer is they could also calculate the increase in mass 3 minus mass 2, which corresponds to the mass of oxygen. The equation is magnesium plus oxygen equals to magnesium oxide. Next question. Fill in the blanks. The change of a solid into liquid is called DEX. Answer is melting. Next question. The process in which a solid directly changes into gas is called DEX. Answer is sublimation. Next question. The change of water vapor into water is called DEX. Answer is condensation. Next question. The temperature at which a liquid starts changing into its vapor state is 100 degrees Celsius. Next question. Give two examples for each of the following. The substances which sublime, the substances which do not change their state on heating. Answer. A. Camphor, iodine, naphthalene, ammonium chloride, dry ice, solid carbon dioxide, etc. B. Gases do not change their state on heating. Next question. Define diffusion, Brownian movement. Diffusion. Diffusion is the process of movement of molecules under a concentration gradient. The molecules move from a region of higher concentration to a region of lower concentration until the concentration becomes equal throughout. Brownian movement. Brownian movement, also called Brownian motion, is defined as the uncontrolled or erratic movement of particles in a fluid due to their constant collision with other fast-moving molecules. When sodium chloride is added to a definite volume of water and stirred well, a solution is formed, but there is no increase in the level of water. Why? Answer is this is because there is some space between the particles of water in which the salt particles get accommodated when dissolved. What do you observe when a gas jar, which appears empty is inverted over a gas jar containing bromine vapors? Name the phenomena. When a gas jar full of bromine vapors bromine vapors, reddish brown, is inverted over a gas jar containing air over it. It is observed that after some time, the reddish-brown vapors of bromine also spread out into the upper jar. This mixing is called diffusion. The rate of diffusion is the fastest in gases and the slowest in solids. Next question. Why can a piece of chalk be broken easily into smaller pieces while a coal piece cannot be broken easily? The strength of this force of attraction is lesser in chalk, hence it could be broken easily into smaller pieces. But the strength of the intermolecular force of attraction is very strong in coal. Therefore, it is not possible to break them into small pieces. That's all for this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Thank you.